Are you looking for the best leaf mulchers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best leaf mulchers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Electric Leaf Blower and Mulcher with Leaf Vacuum Kit, 12 amp, Bv6000. The BLACK+DECKER Bv6000 is known for its top performance. It has a powerful 12 amp electric motor that can generate unto 250 miles per hour of wind speed. This allows the blower to get rid of pine needle, weeds, leaves, grass cuttings, and other garden waste fast. You have 2 speed choices to choose from. It feels well built and should put up with the demands and environmental factors well. With a weight of about 8 pounds, handling and moving around with this item is less of a challenge. At number 4, DEWALT DCBL720P 120 volts max 5.0 Ah Lithium-Ion XR Brushless Blower. Make leaf mulching easier by using the right machine. The DEWALT DCBL720P1 is among the best leaf mulchers in offer. It performs well and is also easy to control. The versatile unit works on leaves, branches, twigs, and much more. With this unit, you don't need to wear earplug or muffs because it is not very noisy. It is also well balanced and ergonomically designed. The possibility of unnecessary fatigue, poor posture, soreness, or pain is very low. At number 3, Greenworks 40 volts 185 miles per hour variable speed cordless blower vacuum, 4.0 Ah battery. This handy machine is what you need to effectively make mulch. It shreds the leaves, twigs, and other things into a much smaller size. This allows you to get rid of the leaves, branches, weeds, and much more. It shreds and compacts in a fast manner. The capacity is also good and you don't need to put in a lot of effort or many cycles of operation. Just like insertion, waste removal is also simple and easy. It boasts of a powerful 40 volts motor which feels more silent than other types. At number 2, Toro 51621 UltraPlus Leaf Blower Vacuum. Variable speed, up to 250 miles per hour. This Toro leaf mulcher will shred and compact many things. It does so in a seamless and effortless manner. It comprises a decently powered motor, which also can handle large volumes well. Also, it is not very noisy and can run for a long period without any overheating issues. It feels light and comfortable. The design and weight are perfect for most day-to-day needs. In addition, if you worry about disturbing the people around you, this moderately silent machine should be a good pick. At number 1, Husqvarna 125 BVX, 28cc 2-cycle gas 470 CFM 170 miles per hour handheld leaf blower, vacuum 952,711,902. Boosting a 28cc gas engine, the Husqvarna 125 BVX will deliver quite some performance. The small motor will produce up to 470 CFM or airflow, which is quite good. It also has an air velocity of up to 170 miles per hour. This will easily mow the leaves off the yard. The 16:1 reduction ratio is among the best in the market. It is easy to handle and to operate courtesy of the lightweight, compact eye styling and good balancing. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.